Have you ever wished you could invest your spare change without the hassle? Or maybe you've wanted to start investing but didn't know where to begin. If so, then you might want to consider Raiz. Raiz is a unique investment app that automates your savings and investments. It works by rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the spare change. It's a simple, hands-off way to grow your wealth over time. Benefit 1. Set and forget investing. Automation. Raiz takes the guesswork out of investing. You simply link your bank account and set your investment preferences. Micro-investing. Every purchase you make, big or small, becomes an opportunity to invest. Diversification. Raiz invests your money across a diversified portfolio of ETFs, spreading risk and maximizing potential returns. Benefit 2. Affordable and accessible investing. Low fees. Raiz offers competitive fees, making it affordable for everyone. Minimal investment. You can start investing with as little as a few dollars. User-friendly app. The Raiz app is easy to navigate, even for beginners. Benefit 3. The power of compound interest. Long-term growth. By investing regularly, even small amounts, you can harness the power of compound interest. Future financial security. Over time, your investments can grow significantly, helping you achieve your financial goals. Benefit 4. Goal-based investing. Personalized investing. Raiz allows you to set specific financial goals, such as buying a house or retiring early. Tailored investment strategies. Based on your goals, Raiz can recommend appropriate investment strategies. Benefit 5. Ethical investing. Impactful investing. Raiz offers ethical investment options, allowing you to invest in companies that align with your values. Positive change. By choosing ethical investments, you can contribute to a more sustainable future. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to start investing, Raiz is a great option. By automating your savings and investing, you can build wealth over time, without even thinking about it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.